welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Christmas Eve makeup tutorial, which is obviously what I'm wearing right now. This is great for a holiday party or Christmas Eve with your family, anything like that. I went really classic. You guys voted for warm tones slash gold glitter, so that is what I have on my eyes today. I think the polls were at 86% gold and 14% silver when I checked right before starting to film. And of course I went with a really classic red lip. I just love a true red lip for Christmas. I think it's so festive. It matches my nails. I hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial. I'm trying to get back into doing these because I just love makeup tutorials, filming them, editing them, watching them from other people, and I've kind of strayed away from that on my channel for the last few months, but no longer. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. If you liked today's video, please do give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! First, we're going to start off by priming the lids. This is the Urban Decay Primer Potion. And just set that down with any skin tone colored shadow that you have, or a face powder if you prefer. I'm now jumping into my Colourpop Dream Street palette by Kathleen Lights, and I'm going to start off for a transition shade with Shooting Star, and I'm just kind of tapping that along my crease to map out the shape and then starting to blend. This eye look is going to be super simple, nothing crazy. Once I feel like I have the shape down, I'm going into Potion, which is this really warm toned brown shade, and putting that on the outer third of my lid. And then going back in with that first fluffy crease brush with no extra product, just to blend those two colors together. Now jumping into Elfish, which is a dark, warm brown, and deepening things up a little bit further. This is how the eye looks so far, just matte shadows. Now going in to the Stila Glitter and Glow in the shade Golden Girl. This glitter was much more sheer than I was anticipating, and I'm carving this out in like a faux cut crease type shape. I didn't actually cut my crease because I wanted this look to be really simple, but I'm just bringing it right up as close as I can to my crease. And I did build this up quite a bit. Now taking a small detail brush, I'm just moving those glitters around my eye to make a cleaner, sharper line around the edge and trying to blend out that outer corner a little bit into the brown, but I'm not taking the glitter all the way to the outer corner. I felt things needed to be a little deeper, so I went back into the shade Elfish to deepen things up even further. I cleaned up any fallout and the edges of my eye look with a makeup remover wipe. To prime, I'm using the Too Faced HangoveRX primer as well as the NYX Angel Veil. For foundation, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation. This does look really light on me, but it actually matches my hands and my neck. If you can see that, my skin has a lot of redness and discoloration to it on my face. I'm just spreading this out with a foundation brush, and then I move into using my Bocacci beauty sponge. This is one of my favorite beauty sponges that I've ever tried, and I got it in an Ipsy bag quite a while ago. I'm looking so ghostly. I promise it did not look like this in real life. The color will correct a little better in a minute. I'm adding a little bit more foundation to the spots where I felt like I needed some more coverage. To conceal, I'm using my Urban Decay Naked Concealer. This is in the shade Fair Neutral. To set that concealer, I'm going into my Morphe 9C palette and using that top shade. And to set the rest of my face, I'm using this L'Oreal True Match powder that I'm trying to use up this year in my project pan. I'm using this MAC blush in the shade Harmony as a bit of a contour blush bronzer hybrid. The tone looks really nice on my skin tone as a multi-purpose type of product. So I'm starting by carving out my cheekbones, but as you can see, I'm blending it down quite far onto my cheeks. And I'm actually not going to be using a different blush today, so that's why I used this powder as both. I'm going to fill my brows in with the ABH Brow Definer off camera, and now for mascara I'm using the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara. This mascara is so beautiful on my lashes, at least. It's probably my favorite mascara. Here you can see the difference with one eye has mascara and the other doesn't. I'm taking this Ardency in Modster eyeliner in the gold shade and lining my waterline, but I'm also putting this on my lower lash line and really smudging it out to tie in the gold glitter. Here's Jeremy is annoying me. He's mocking me in the background. Oh my gosh, he's so annoying. Here's a close-up of what the eyes are looking like so far, and we are going to highlight our inner corners with the Becca highlight in, of course, Champagne Pop, because this is my all-time favorite. I'm also going to take Champagne Pop and highlight my cheekbones. And I'm bringing that up a little bit above my brow as well as underneath my brows. To set the face, I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter, and I'm really applying this liberally. I was confused by the two caps for a second. And now really gently I'm going back over with my sponge and just patting that setting spray in. For lips, I'm using the Maybelline Matte in Ruby Red, I believe. It's 691. It's just a really classic red color. I'm now taking a lip brush to perfect the edges, and here Jeremy brings Wyatt in to see me, so you're going to hear my really high-pitched mom voice. I'm so sorry.
Nice shirt, very Christmassy. You're so cute, look in the mirror. You're so cute!
So that completes today's look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!